Guys, what is going on? Adam here. I'm back again. It's been a while, but I'm still alive. We're on module 5, lesson 5. I thought I'd get right back into this course, get this course finished for you guys. Obviously, it's teaching you about the basics of crypto. If you haven't already, go back. We've already covered 4 weeks. It'll really get you in and teach you the foundations of crypto, why you want to be self-custodying Bitcoin, and obviously staying away from a lot of these bad actors. There's been a lot of bad actors right now. Obviously FTX has just gone bankrupt. I've covered that in other videos. Obviously Binance seems to be emerging as a monopoly right now. So there's a lot going on. Obviously Bitcoin's way off its all-time high, so it's probably a great time to be getting in if you believe in crypto. Obviously Bitcoin especially. So go back and watch those videos if you haven't already. If there's anything you feel that I've missed out, or you want to give us some feedback, put a comment in the videos. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you can, guys. You've helped us out. All this content's totally free. We're not trying to sell you a course here. It's all free, so just check out the content and hope you enjoy. So today I thought I'd cover how to buy an NFT. I'll just take you through Opensea, nice and simple, how to make an offer. So yeah, let's get right into it. So all you need to do is go on Opensea, connect your wallet if you haven't already. So let's just say we wanted to buy, I don't know, a Bored Ape, yeah? We're Ethereum millionaires and we got some spare cash and we're going to buy a Bored Ape. So you can see the floor price right now is around 55 ETH. Best offers are around 48 wrapped ETH. So all you need to do, you could just go low to high. So we're on low to high. Let's click on this one. Make an offer. And you can see here, I don't know, let's just say at the moment we got 0 ETH in our wallet. The floor price is 54. Best offer is 48. So obviously if we want to offer, let's just say we wanted to offer 48.002. Obviously I don't have the balance. So the only options you've got to make that balance is to fund your MetaMask like I've shown in previous videos. And then you could go to your wallet here. So you can go to MetaMask. You're going to click on send your ETH over to MetaMask. So it's nice and simple. You go to your, say you were doing it for Binance or Coinbase. You just fund your Coinbase and then you're going to use this address to paste into Coinbase or Binance, etc. You're going to fund this address with Ethereum. Send the Ethereum over. So you want to send a bit more. So say it was 48 ETH we were bidding. You want to send maybe 49 ETH. And all we need to do is do a swap. And then you're going to swap your ETH for wrapped ETH in this case. So you're just going to click wrapped ETH. And let's just say we want to buy 48.5 wrapped ETH. That's pretty much it. Review the swap, and then you just swap. You can see there what the gas fees are. If you can go and edit as well, you can go on advanced options. If you want to speed up the transaction as well, you can do that. Smart transaction as well, simulate action before submitting to decrease transaction cost, etc. So you can, like I said, do all those things, and then you just simply swap it over. Then we got 48 ETH in, and you'll make an offer. Sometimes there is a buy now button, so you'll be able to just buy now. Somebody might say, "Oh no, he's ready, he's prepared to accept 50 ETH." You'll be able to make an offer of 50 ETH. In this case, you can offer ETH. Some cases you can only offer wrapped ETH, so obviously you've got the option here. You'll accept ApeCoin, USDC or wrapped ETH. Any of those coins are acceptable, but obviously it'd have to be at the floor price or over the best offer price to obviously make an offer that might get accepted. So obviously that would be calculated. But other than that, that's nice and simple. I'll run you through on the next episode how to use tools like Trade Sniper, Rarity Sniper. So obviously you can understand how to work out which NFTs are the rarest, etc. I'll take you through that in the next episode. But other than that, nice and simple. That's how you buy an NFT. There's nothing more than that. There are other websites as well you can use. But yeah, the Opensea is obviously the most simple one. There are BNB ones as well you can use. Other than that, guys, hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Thank you.